It's St. Patty's Day. Can you tell how thrilled I am? I'm sporting my hat, my tiara actually. Not sure why Mom put a tiara on me, because I'm a boy cat, but you know, she just likes to put stuff on, so what are you gonna do? You just roll with it. I'm actually gonna work on my royal wave. Do you think this look will get me invited to Meghan and Harry's wedding? Oh, look at that, I'm doing cat yoga. Oh, bye-bye, Tiara. Revenge. Take that, Tiara. For all the cats who've ever been dressed up, I seek revenge. Oh crap, you're not supposed to take off shamrocks? What did you just do? Oh, that looked like fun. Probably get us 7 years of bad luck on St. Patty's Day or something, but knock yourself out, you're having fun. Oh, Jack, you're such a funny guy. Here's your trophy. Funny Jack. Oh. Happy St. Patty's Day, Jack.